Joe Stoddard, and I'm the principal at Mountain Consulting Group. We work with home builders and remodelers to improve their business processes and then to automate those processes with technology. There's no one best. That's first thing. We always help builders choose the device based on the other line of business applications that they're using. So that would be the first thing. If you're using a piece of software that only has an app for one of the smartphone platforms, then that one would automatically kind of select itself as the winner. Whether it's iPhone or Android, as far as the applications built into the phone, pretty much equal. It's 6 of one, half dozen the other. But some companies are very reliant on the Windows ecosystem. In that case, they might even want to look to a Windows smartphone. Well, I think the most useful apps, first of all, are going to be the tablet or smartphone version of your line of business application that you might use. So if you're using one of the builder-specific construction management applications, there's probably a smartphone app for that. And so that would be number one. You can get a lot of value without really installing any other apps. I mean, there's the calendar and email and all that sort of thing. But in terms of apps that you would install, it's going to be the applications that take advantage of the device's sensors. For instance, the camera-oriented apps or the distance locating apps, that sort of thing. There's one called Magic Plan that will let you shoot each corner of a room and generate a small CAD file that you can import into your CAD system. JotNot is one we like a lot. It lets you use your camera again to convert a paper document back into an electronic document. Then we can use something called Soft Sign to actually soft sign that document, right on the phone or tablet. I don't think there's a next big thing. The big thing is kind of the end of the big thing and the development of these small, what we call best of breed applications that each do a small piece of something. But the difference now is they're starting to talk to each other. So a builder can take a variety of these smaller apps and kind of wire them together into a larger system. So there's a lot of things that would talk to Google Docs, for instance. A lot of builders use Google Docs, so they might use a CRM app that would merge fields into a Google document or get names of contacts from a Google document, that sort of thing. The big benefit is, I mean, you're going to cut down on all the primary wastes in a business. You're going to reduce cycle times. You're going to lower your costs. Better, faster, cheaper. That's really the way of the world, the way it is.